Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook or bake a bread, and let's get started. Let's go straight to our ingredients of the day. We are going to have 200 ml of milk with sugar. Sugar we are going to have 25 grams. Salt we are going to use 3 grams. Kidogo sana. We are going to use oil 20 grams. And we're going to use 2 cups of flour. And I'm also going to add some vanilla essence. That's optional. If you want, you can add. I have warmed my milk kidogo sana so that I test my yeast. This is the yeast. So we are going direct to mixing. So I put my yeast there. Then we take a kamwiko. We stir. Mix the yeast and milk. Instead of milk, you can use a cup of water. For me, I'm using milk. If you have time, you can let this sit for some few minutes, then you continue. But now that it's instant, just continue. On the side, can add our salt to the unga. We add a vanilla to the mixture of milk and yeast. We add our sugar, and then we can mix this. You can also add an egg. For this recipe, I'm not going to add eggs. I'm just going to make the simplest bread. You don't need to be buying breads every day, so you should learn how to bake yours. That's it. We are going to add the mixture into our milk. Tunaongeza kidogo kidogo. We can add our oil here, 20 grams. Si mafuta mingi kidogo tu. So let me measure with my cup. I'm going to use 15 mils. So I add there. Acha niongeze kidogo. That's it. Continue mixing. Acha tuongeze kaunga kidogo. Kidogo tu. This is very simple, so in the current economy, you don't need to be buying bread every day. So there is our mixture. Let it rest for 20 minutes. We come back to knead kidogo. Then we will continue from there. So we set the unga to sit for 20 minutes. We are back to check. It's 20 minutes. We need kidogo, then we let it sit again for 1 hour. You need to be so patient and very patient with this process of making bread. Be very patient because you need a lot of time. You can see our unga is not so hard. Just kneading kidogo too. Then now we put it aside, and then we let it rise for 1 hour. They are good. Now we can let it stay for 1 hour. And then after that, now we bake it. Let's cover it in the full paper. After covering, you can keep it in a warm place. And I said it's for 1 hour. Be very patient. 1 hour. That's okay. Just place it here. Come back for 1 hour and see. The dough has risen. As you can see, it has risen. So now ni tutoe. To knead kidogo, then we place it on our baking tray. I don't have a baking tray, so I'm going to use this glass bowl. So don't say that you don't have a baking tray. That's why you're not going to bake. It's a bit light, as you can see. My serving is clean. So I'm going to knead it kidogo. Continue kneading. We are done kneading, so we just make a shape and then we place it in our baking pan. I've dusted it, so we just go on and place the dough inside. Sishangai vile imetoka ikikaa. It's going to be perfect. We've already preheated our oven, 170 degrees. So we are going to bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Then we will be done. We now place our breads to the oven. Let's wait for 30 minutes, then we'll be back. And our bread is ready. Let's check. You can see. You can see. You can see. So well done. You can see. Our bread is done. You can see. Then we're going to keep it to cool down, but we are done. So thank you so much for being patient with me. And thank you so much for subscribing. And those who did not subscribe, make sure you subscribe. It's a wrap for now. Bye.